Hi, I'm David Vitanza.
And I'm Emily LaFave. And we're Forager's Customer Success Team.
We are, and we're here to try some more supplier products today. And today we have Klara's Gourmet cookies out of Lee, Massachusetts.
But they're not originally from Lee's, Massachusetts, are they?
Where are they originally from?
They're originally from Czechia, where Klara grew up. And she moved here when she was 19 years old to the U.S. and founded this company in 2006.
Very cool. Yeah, and I heard that when she was growing up, they didn't have access to a lot of a whole bunch of mass-produced baked goods, so they had to make do at home and create their own recipes and make their own special treats.
Exactly.
So here we have them.
And these recipes come from her great-grandmother and her grandmother, and they've been passed down to her. So she replicates these old world Czech recipes. So we have 4 flavors here to try, but she has a total of 7. So today we have double chocolate sea salt and chocolate and sea salt shortbreads. And then we've got chocolate and regular coconut macaroons. Let's try them.
Let's try them. Chocolate sea salt is just my go-to flavor. If I ever see that anywhere, I'm like, ah. So that's what I'm doing now.
Well, I'm a coconut fan.
You are a coconut.
I am nuts for coconut. This is an ideal cookie for me. The texture is exactly what I want. It's buttery, soft and chewy. And these ones are actually gluten-free.
Very cool.
Yeah, not the shortbreads, but the macaroons are. They were made with rice flour instead of wheat flour.
Yeah, this one's very buttery too, and sort of flaky, which I like in a shortbread cookie. And has good flavor of chocolate and salt bursting through it. And I love salt in sweets. That's one of my favorite combinations.
I love a salty sweet combo. I want to try this double chocolate sea salt shortbread because for me, the more chocolatey, the better. These have that salt that you were talking about because these are the double chocolate and sea salt. So very rich, fudgy, chocolatey flavor with a nice little salty kick. These are made with a very short list of ingredients. All natural things that I've heard of as well. There's no corn syrup in these. There's no weird preservatives or stabilizers or unnatural flavorings in there at all.
Being a packaged cookie, it tastes like it could have just come out of the oven today.
Yeah, for no preservatives. She had to ship these to us. So she didn't bake these yesterday, but they taste like they were just made today. That would make a nice end cap display.
It would. And like you were saying earlier, I think it's so key to be able to actually see the product in the bag, not just having the picture on the bag, but being able to actually see it is just very key for a consumer.
Yeah, and I've seen these around, actually. I have seen these merchandised in grocery and in the bakery before. So they've got some versatility as to where you can have these in your store.
There's been a lot of relative hand-me-downs in these suppliers that we've been doing, people that learn their recipes from their grandparents and their uncles, which is really cool to pass that tradition down.
I know.
It means it's quality and it stood the test of time.
Yeah. Okay, well, I think it's safe to say that we love Klara's Gourmet cookies. I'm going to steal a bag of these coconut macaroons to take home with me and have after dinner tonight.
Sorry.
Okay, you can have those ones.
I will. And you can find these all on Forager now as well.